So this screencast will take you through how to save a part file in Inventor so that you can create a makerbot print file. Very simple. You've created this. You want to save it. You go to File, hover over Save As. Hover over it, wait until that pops up. Save Copy As. You are going to choose Save As Type STL. That is a stereolithographic file. Then you need to choose a certain set of options. The Options button at the bottom, click it. Mine are already chosen. You want high resolution. The units need to be millimeter. The format needs to be binary. Click OK. Save. Create one folder for all of your part files, your STL files, and eventually your MakerBot print files. MakerBot print. There are 3 kinds of printers you'll be using. You'll figure this out. You need to add them. You'll download these from our company portal. But this is what you do. You go to File, Insert, and you're going to insert that file. Now, I saved this. What was this called again? Bowl. No. Pendant lampshade. Open. It's a little big for the replicator. That's okay. I'll show you how to scale it too. So the first thing you do is, first of all, you can navigate all around. That's the right mouse button. That's the scroll wheel. And that is the left mouse button. I am going to scale this thing. I can scale it. I click the object first. Uniform scaling, I'm going to keep it uniform so that I can keep it the same scale. But I'm going to scale it down to 30%. Okay, just for fun. Now, I need to place it on the bed, and this is the key. Everything has to be as flat as possible on the bed. I could print this upside down, bowl-like, but I'm going to print it so that it has really good adhesion. Place face on build plate, and then you have to find this very edge and tell it to be the bottom. Then you can position it, or you can manually position it by just dragging it around. Same difference. You can place multiples of the same thing. If you're printing one different lampshade each, I would print one at a time. That way, if one print screws up or fails, you don't have to do the other. Print settings is here, and this is where I'm actually going to do a separate video about what to do. Once you've got everything on the build plate, the custom settings, some of them you probably might want to play with. I'm going to do a bunch of little videos, and if you need to, you can play with those. But basically, that's it. Once you're done with that, you start running the estimates and print preview. This might take, at 30%, this might be an hour and a half, 2-hour print job. It might be 25 to 30 grams of material. A spool, like you guys had been taking off and putting back on, is 1,000 grams. It's a kilogram. So you can print quite a bit in one spool. And sometimes it takes a while to generate the print report. But there it is, parsing toolpath out. So it's basically making a G-code file, which is what that machine understands. It doesn't know that it's making a bowl. It knows that it's going to follow this path and do that. So it says 54 minutes, 6.7 grams. Not a lot of material. That's it. So any questions that might be useful? Okay, I'll save this one. And